This object is a microscope from the mid-19th century, made by the R&J Beck Company in London. The lenses of the microscope were made according to the formulas of Joseph Jackson Lister, who invented the achromatic lens. Joseph Jackson Lister was the father of Joseph Lister, who is known for spearheading the use of antisepsis in surgery. J.J. Lister was profoundly interested in natural history but felt that microscopes of the time did not adequately detail the structure of cells of plants and animals. The development of the microscope allowed scientists to make new insights into the body and disease. It's not clear who invented the first microscope, but the Dutch spectacle maker Zacharias Janssen, born 1585, is credited with making one of the earliest compound microscopes, ones that used two lenses, around 1600. The earliest microscopes could magnify an object up to 20 or 30 times its normal size.